PE and Health 4, Quarter 3, Week 1, Matatag Curriculum. Competency: discuss the concept and importance of eating safe and healthy food. Objectives: understand the UN article Right of the Child to Nutrition. Explain the different parts of a food label and identify the 5 keys to safer food. Content: concept of safe and healthy eating. Importance of safe and healthy eating. Integration: zero hunger, good health and well-being, clean water and sanitation. For Day 1, pics and jumbled letters. I will be flashing 2 photos and jumbled letters for 5 seconds, and you may raise your hand if you want to guess what the pictures refer to. Let's start. You're right. The first word is defense, and the second word is offense. Let's take a look at the next pictures. You're right. The first picture is agawan base, and the second picture is patintero. Let's have a video analysis. Watch the video UNICEF 2020 Children are facing a nutrition crisis through the YouTube video link indicated. Here are the guide questions. What did you notice in the video? You're right. The video highlights the struggles of children who lack enough food, showing their vulnerability and health issues. What are the common problems mentioned in the video? Very good. The common problems include malnutrition, stunted growth, weakened immune systems, and difficulties in learning and development. Let's unlock some content area vocabulary. First is the United Nations. The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization whose stated purposes are to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation, and serve as a center for harmonizing the actions of nations. Next is nutrition. It is the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vital nutrients required for life. For the subtopic 1, UN Article 24, Right of the Child to Nutrition. What is Article 24 of the United Nations all about? Exactly. Article 24 of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child focuses on every child's right to health, access to nutritious food, clean water, and health care. How do you provide children with the right to have food? Very good. By ensuring access to nutritious meals through food programs, education, and support for families in need. Let's have a Zumba. Execute and follow the Zumba dance through this link. Ready, set, dance. For the activity 1, study the picture. Circle 5 unsafe practice to achieve proper nutrition. Here are some of the unsafe practices indicated in the illustration. Appropriate nutrition is a right for every child. They have a right to eat foods that are healthy for their developing bodies. Parents and other caregivers must defend their kids' right to a healthy diet so they can grow up happy and healthy. The Convention on the Rights of the Child only makes a specific mention of nutrition 3 times. However, the Convention makes it clear that a healthy diet should be viewed as a fundamental human right by emphasizing food, health, and care. According to Article 24 of the Convention on the Rights of the Child, children have the right to the best health care possible, clean water to drink, healthy food, and a clean and safe environment to live in. All adults and children should have information about how to stay safe and healthy. A vital component of growth and health is nutrition. A healthier diet is linked to better immune systems, safer pregnancies and deliveries, a decreased risk of non-communicable diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease, longer lifespans, and better health for newborns, children, and mothers. Children who are well learn better. For Day 2, Subtopic 2, Healthy and Unhealthy Food. What are the differences between healthy and unhealthy food? You're right. Healthy food provides essential nutrients for growth and energy, while unhealthy food is high in sugar, fats, and lacks nutrients. What are the examples of healthy and unhealthy food? Very good. Examples of healthy food include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Unhealthy food includes chips, candy, and sugary drinks. Let's dance. Watch the video and follow the dance steps. Arrange the following food accordingly. Based on the board, food belong to healthy and unhealthy. Here are the foods. Let us now classify them. For the healthy food, we have banana, carrot, apple, pineapple, milk, egg, and fish. And for the unhealthy food, we have ice cream, soda, and fries. A person is healthy and usually free from illness if they get the essential nutrients needed by the body. Eating nutritious food makes a person healthy and strong. Nutritious food also provides the energy needed by the body to do activities and repairs tissues and body cells. 3 important meals. First, we have breakfast. It is considered the most important meal of the day. It recharges the body and gets you ready for the day. Next is lunch. This meal provides the energy to remain alert and focused throughout the day. And the third one is dinner. It helps to have a good sleep and be more alert the next day. Here are the nutritional guidelines for Filipinos, according to the Department of Science and Technology. First, eat more fruits and vegetables every day. Consume fish, lean meat, poultry, egg, dried beans, or nuts daily for growth and repair of body tissues. Eat a variety of food every day to get the nutrients needed by the body. Breastfeed infants exclusively from birth up to 6 months. Then give the baby appropriate complementary food while continuing breastfeeding. Consume milk, milk products, and other calcium-rich food. Consume safe and clean food and water to prevent diarrhea and other food and waterborne diseases. Use iodized salt to prevent iodine deficiency disorders. Limit intake of salty, fried, fatty, and sugar-rich food to prevent cardiovascular diseases. Attain normal body weight through proper diet and moderate physical activity to maintain good health and help prevent obesity. Be physically active, make healthy food choices, manage stress, avoid alcoholic beverages, and do not smoke to help prevent lifestyle-related non-communicable diseases. For Day 3, Subtopic 3, Food Safety. What are the food safety principles? You're right. The food safety principles include proper cleaning, cooking, storing, and handling a food to prevent contamination. How important are food safety principles in our daily lives? Exactly. They are essential to prevent foodborne illnesses and ensure the food we eat is safe and healthy. Let's sing and dance. Let us follow the sing and dance of food safety. Awareness to the tune of Better When I'm Dancing. Find and encircle the word in the grid. Look for them either horizontally or vertically. Look for the word cook, soap, frozen, clean, separate, chill, and bacteria. Here are the correct answers. We have cook, soap, frozen, separate, chill, and clean. It is very important that the food and water we consume be safe and clean. Meal preparation must therefore be done safely and hygienically. Clean, separate, cook, and chill is a simple lesson that will help prevent you and your family from diseases caused by food. Here are the 4 food safety principles. First is clean. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after preparing the food. Wash the work surfaces with hot and soapy water. Keep our appliances clean and wash food thoroughly. Next is separate. Separate different kinds of food to avoid cross-contamination. Keep poultry products, raw meat, and seafood away from ready-to-eat foods. Next is cook. Cook and store food at safe and proper temperatures. Make sure that food is cooked thoroughly. To check if the food has been thoroughly cooked, cut the food open to see if it is steaming hot in the middle. Next is chill. Cool it as quickly as possible for around 1 to 2 hours and keep it in the refrigerator. Make sure that the fridge is set between 0 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius. Do not leave perishable foods at room temperature. Any kind of food is no longer safe to eat if they have been in the danger zone of 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 2 hours. Subtopic 4: Importance of safe and healthy eating. What is a food label? You're right. A food label provides information about a product's nutritional content, ingredients, and other details. What are the different parts of food labels? Very good. The parts include serving size, calories, nutrients, ingredient list, and allergen warnings. Let's have a dance exercise. Follow the dance steps from the video in the given link. Family-friendly gaming. Food labels. The label breaks down the number of calories, carbs, fat, fiber, protein, and vitamins per serving of the food, making it easier to compare the nutrition of similar products. Be sure to look at different brands of the same foods. Nutrition information can differ a lot. Number 1. Check the serving size first. All the numbers on this label are for a 2/3 cup serving. This package has 8 servings. If you eat the whole thing, you are eating 8 times the amount of calories, carbs, fat, etc. shown on the label. Next, total carbohydrate shows you the types of carbs in the food, including sugar and fiber. Third, choose foods with more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Choose foods with lower calories, saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars. Avoid trans fat. For the next activity, compare it. Directions: divide the class into 4 groups. Each group has its own left and right icons. The teacher will present 2 nutrition facts. The group needs to compare the nutrition facts and identify which is the healthy and unhealthy products for 15 seconds. If the teacher tells which is the healthy product, the group needs to raise their left or right icon, depending on where the healthy product is placed. The students must wait for the count or signal of the teacher before raising their icon. The group who raised their icon first and had the correct one will get 2 points. Let's have the first set of illustration. You're right. The answer is left. Next. Very good. It's right. For the next set of illustration, you're right. It is left. Next. Very good. It is right. Next. You're right. It is the left. Does eating the right amount of nutrition every day help us grow stronger and taller? You're right. Yes. Proper nutrition supports growth, strength, and overall health. Is it okay to eat leftover food that was kept in the refrigerator? Exactly. Yes, if it was stored properly and reheated safely. What are the other options besides eating the right amount of nutrients that our body needs to become healthy? Very good. Regular exercise, drinking enough water, and getting enough sleep help maintain health. What are you going to do if you accidentally eat or drink expired food or drink? You're right. Stop eating it and inform an adult or seek medical advice if symptoms appear. If your classmates ask to share your food but you haven't started eating yet, what will you do? Politely share if you are comfortable and have enough food. Let's have the formative assessment. True or false? Read and understand the statement carefully. If the statement is true, shade the circle. If the statement is false, shade the box. Let's have number 1. The serving size found in nutrition facts suggests many servings to be taken or eaten. Is it true or false? Number 2. If we eat food that contains a high level of sugar, our body becomes healthy. Is it true or false? Number 3. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that our body needs to function. Is it true or false? Number 4. Reading the nutritional facts helps us to know the nutrients contained in a food product. Is it true or false? Number 5. High calorie intake helps our body to become thin and healthy. Is it true or false? Let us now answer. For number 1, it is true. Number 2, you're right, it is false. Number 3, you're right, it is true. Number 4, very good, it is true. And number 5, it is false.